What if you could build wealth without earning a six-figure salary? Sound impossible, right? But what if I told you there's a way to achieve financial freedom, even on a modest income? In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 8 ways that can help you build real wealth, regardless of your salary. These methods are designed for anyone, no matter where you're starting from. Let's dive into these powerful wealth-building tactics. 1. Pay yourself first. Automated savings. How many times have you meant to save but end up spending it all? Here's the truth. If you wait until you've paid all your bills, chances are there won't be anything left to save. So, how do you turn that around? Pay yourself first. The trick is to treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill that gets paid the moment you receive your paycheck. Set up an automatic transfer, no excuses. Even if you're only able to save a small amount, like $25 a week, this consistent habit will compound over time. Automation is key here. By making savings automatic, you remove the temptation to spend. Whether it's for retirement or an emergency fund, this set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures that you're consistently building wealth without even thinking about it. 2. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Free money. Anyone. Wouldn't it be amazing if someone gave you free money to build your wealth? Well, that's exactly what a 401k employer match does for you. It's essentially free money that your employer adds to your retirement account when you contribute. In 2026, tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, Roth IRAs, and HSAs are some of the most powerful tools for growing your wealth. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, meaning you're not giving a large chunk of it to the government every year. Let's say your employer offers a 5% match on your 401k contributions. If you contribute $5,000, your employer will add another $250. It may not seem like much at first, but when you think about the long-term impact, it's huge. 3. Invest in low-cost index funds. The power of the market. Are you constantly chasing hot stock tips? It's easy to get caught up in the latest investment trends, but here's a more reliable path to wealth: low-cost index funds. Index funds allow you to invest in a wide range of stocks, spreading your risk and allowing your wealth to grow alongside the global economy. You don't have to pick individual stocks or time the market perfectly. Instead, you invest in the market as a whole, and over time, your portfolio grows with the economy. Investing in low-cost index funds is one of the most straightforward ways to build wealth over time. The reason they work so well is that they offer broad market exposure at a very low cost. By avoiding high fees associated with actively managed funds, you can keep more of your returns. For example, if you invested in a total market index fund, you'd own a little piece of companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, as well as thousands of other companies. This diversification reduces risk and smooths out the inevitable ups and downs of the market. 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Keep expenses in check. Does your income go up, but so do your expenses? It's a classic trap called lifestyle inflation, and it's something you need to avoid at all costs if you want to build wealth. The idea is simple. As your income increases, keep your expenses fixed. A common strategy in 2026 is to maintain your expenses at around 70% of your income, using the remaining 30% for savings, investments, and wealth-building activities. This strategy doesn't just apply to raises. It works whenever your income increases, whether it's from a bonus, side hustle, or even a new job. The key is not to spend that extra money on bigger things, like upgrading your car or moving to a more expensive apartment. Instead, you funnel it into your savings or investments. By keeping your lifestyle in check, you create a significant gap between what you earn and what you spend. This gap is the engine that drives wealth creation. The bigger the gap, the faster your wealth can grow. So before splurging on a luxury item, ask yourself, will this make me richer in the long run? 5. Eliminate high-interest debt. The debt snowball method. Is high-interest debt eating into your wealth? The longer you carry it, the more it's going to cost you in the long run. The faster you pay it off, the sooner you can start building wealth. To start eliminating high-interest debt, focus on paying off credit cards, payday loans, and personal loans first. These types of debt often come with interest rates of 20% or more, which can quickly outpace any investment returns. To tackle this, consider the snowball method or the avalanche method. With the snowball method, you pay off your smallest debts first, then move on to the bigger ones. This gives you a quick sense of accomplishment and motivates you to continue. On the other hand, the avalanche method focuses on paying off the highest interest debt first, saving you the most money in the long term. Either method works, but the important part is starting. Every time you pay off a debt, you free up more money for savings and investments. Over time, you'll see how quickly your financial situation improves, and it will feel incredibly empowering to be debt-free. 6. Create scalable passive income. Let your money work for you. If you're just exchanging your time for money, you're not building wealth, you're working for it. To build wealth without a high salary, you need to create passive income streams that generate money without constant effort on your part. In 2026, scalable passive income comes in many forms. You could sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or design templates. You could also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which give you exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of managing properties. One of the key advantages of passive income is that it allows you to make money while you sleep. Once you've created a product or investment, it can continue to generate income for you without your direct involvement. For example, writing a book or creating an online course means you only need to put in the work once, but you can continue to earn from it for years to come. This strategy might take time to set up, but once it's running, you can sit back and watch your wealth grow. And the more passive income streams you create, the more financial freedom you gain. 7. Master specific knowledge and AI tools. Maximize your earning potential. Are you using the AI tools to your advantage? In 2026, AI tools and specialized knowledge are game changers when it comes to building wealth. By mastering specific skills or learning how to talk to AI, prompt engineering, you can earn more in less time. With the rise of AI and automation, learning how to use these tools effectively allows you to multiply your impact. Imagine being able to leverage AI to increase your productivity, whether it's automating certain tasks, analyzing data, or creating content. The better you are at using these tools, the faster you can grow your wealth. By mastering specialized knowledge in fields like data science, digital marketing, or finance, you can differentiate yourself from the competition. This expertise allows you to command higher rates for your work, making it easier to save and invest more. It's all about leveraging modern tools to create an edge in your career or business. 8. Sinking funds, intentional categorization. Do you find yourself scrambling to pay for unexpected expenses? Whether it's a medical bill, car repairs, or an emergency trip, life tends to throw us financial curveballs. Instead of relying on credit cards or loans, create a sinking fund for these predictable expenses. A sinking fund is essentially a savings account where you allocate money each month for specific categories. For example, you could have separate funds for car repairs, home maintenance, or even annual holidays. By categorizing your savings in advance, you ensure that you're financially prepared when these expenses arise. This approach replaces financial anxiety with intentional planning. You know exactly what your priorities are and where your money is going. And when those surprises hit, you'll be ready without having to dig into your main savings or go into debt. There you have it, 8 ways to build wealth without high salary. The best part about these wealth-building methods is that they don't require a huge income, just a strategic approach to managing your money. By implementing just a few of these tactics, you can start building wealth, even if you're working with a modest income. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more actionable advice. Together, we can take control of our financial futures and build the wealth we deserve.